Hello to all my viewers. This is Dr. Dhaval Maheta. Let us try to understand how to run probabilistic neural network predictor in KNIME. A probabilistic neural network, that is PNN, is a type of artificial neural network that is used for classification and pattern recognition tasks. PNNs are based on base theorems of probability and they work by estimating the probability distribution of the input data. PNN consists of four layers: an input layer, a pattern layer, a summation layer, and the output layer. The input layer receives the data and the pattern layer converts it into the probability density function by calculating the distance between the input data and the prototypes in the pattern layer. The summation layer combines the PDFs, that is the probability density functions, and calculates the posterior probabilities which are then passed to the output layer for the classification. PNNs have several advantages over other types of neural networks, such as their ability to handle non-linearly separable data, their fast training time, and their ability to classify the data with high accuracy. However, they are not as widely used as other type of neural networks because they can be computationally expensive and they require a large amount of memory to store the prototypes. Now let's see how we can run PNN predictor in KNIME. So for this, we will go in KNIME Analytics platform. First of all, I will activate the input-output node from here. I'll activate the CSV reader. I'll double click on it. I'll browse the data set. I'll request my viewers to kindly refer my previous videos on KNIME, which are available in the playlist. I'll connect the heart one here, open, click OK, right click on it and execute. Now, again right click on it and see the file table. This dataset consists of many variables. We want to select few of them, and for this reason, we are activating the column filter. Right click on it, configure. I'll take all the variables on left hand side. I'll transfer age, resting blood pressure, cholesterol, maximum hours of exercise, and heart disease. Click OK. Right click on it and execute. Again right click on it and see the filtered table. So you can see now we are having only 5 variables. This is our target variable. Now, if I talk about age, resting blood pressure, cholesterol, maximum hours of exercise, they all are on different scale and therefore it is necessary to normalize them. So first we will activate the color manager. Right click on it, configure. So you can see that if a person is having a heart disease, it is indicated by red color. And if not, then green color. Click OK. I'll activate now the normalizer from here. 3 types of normalizer are there, which we have discussed in the previous video. We'll be using the mean max normalization. Click OK. Right click on it and execute. Now we will activate the PNN learner. Right click on it, configure, make sure that a target column is a heart disease, the categorical variable. Execute. Now with the help of this learner, we want to do the prediction and therefore I will activate the PNN predictor. Kindly disconnect this line because we don't want the data from here. The learning definitely will come from here, but we want the data to be fetched from here. And right click on it and execute. Again right click on it and see the predicted data. So you can see this is a prediction which is being done using the PNN algorithm, and this is the original data set. So this is a prediction and this is the original data set. So this is a way you can run PNN predictor in KNIME. For more videos on KNIME, kindly subscribe to my channel. You can follow me on LinkedIn and Twitter. Please refer my playlist in which I already uploaded many videos on KNIME.